In 2009, in Clinton, Connecticut, one simple idea was born: to make opening and closing above-ground pools easier. As a third-generation pool store owner, I'd seen plenty of pool products come and go. But when PoolTree was introduced to our store in 2009, it quickly became one of our best-selling winter closing products. When I had the opportunity to take over PoolTree in 2016, I already knew what the product could do. My wife and I saw the potential to grow something special and bring it to far more pool owners, and got to work. What started in one small Connecticut town quickly grew across New England, and then across the country. Today, more than 4,000 pool owners across 47 states trust PoolTree for easier pool openings and closings. And the best part isn't how far PoolTree has traveled. It's hearing from customers who tell us they'll never close their pool without it again. PoolTree is the industry's only self-cleaning above-ground pool winter cover system, making pool openings and closing easier since 2009. We've got you covered.